Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your Facebook story memories and view your old stories easily. Let's get started. To begin, open Facebook and head to the top left corner of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section called Your Activity. Under this section, tap on Activity Log. At the top of the activity log, tap on Archive. Then choose Story Archive. Here you will see all your old Facebook stories saved as memories. You can scroll through them and revisit the content you've previously shared. If your archive looks empty, tap the gear icon at the top right and make sure Save to Archive is turned on. This will ensure that your future stories are automatically saved and accessible. And that's it! Now you know how to find your Facebook story memories.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.